Hello, this is Lucas Palmeira from Imaginando, and I'm here to give you another sound design tutorial with frames. And for today's tutorial, we decided to capture some sounds from a bicycle and create a patch with it. So let's start the recording. Okay guys, so we made recordings and now we're gonna do the patch construction. I've already cut and edited the samples that I'm gonna use, and those samples are these ones, one, and the other one. Okay, so let's get right into it. Open the frames on a default patch, like here. And let's start by going to the fourth layer and loading up this sound first. I'm gonna turn on the start, change the offset. Turning on the start means that the grain will start from the start position and then loop around the offset and the size. Drop the density to 0, so we only have one grain. Raise the level to maximum. Drop the cutoff to 860. Like this. And now what we're going to do is go to the third layer, turn on an oscillator, drop the level a little bit, and tune this sound with the other one. So we're gonna drop to semitones and then fine tune it to minus 680. So minus 2 on coarse and minus 680 on fine tune. Now I'm gonna go back here and turn on ping pong. This will make the grain go back and forth, and put an offset of 313. No, 317, right. And a size of, let's start with a size of 840. Actually, and an offset of 313 like this. Now let's raise the gain to 260. It should be okay for now. So now let's go to the third layer and turn it on. Drop 2 octaves. Let's level at 690. And now let's change this LFO. So I want the first LFO to have a rate of 370 and a delay of 150. This delay will mean that after when I press the key, the LFO will take a little while to start up. Second LFO, again, a sine wave. and 357 of rate. 357 of rate. And a delay of 330. 330. Okay. So now we go to the third layer matrix, and here on LFO 2, we want to put the pitch at 260. So now you can hear this vibrato. Here, you can see it on the LFO, the delay coming up. Now let's go to global and turn on the frequency modulation mode and go to the second algorithm. This means that the fourth layer is the modulator to the carrier third, and the second layer is modulator to the carrier one. So now let's go to the second layer and load up the second sample, which is the bell. Okay, I have solo on 3. Let's solo on 2. Okay. Let's drop the volume to 620. Turn the start on, open the window, change the offset to 0.70 and a size of 87. Let's drop the window a little bit. A density of 200 is okay. Let's raise 1 octave. Let's tune this again. It's gonna turn this off, turn the solo off. $170, 107 on fine tune. Yeah, should be okay. Now let's go to the first layer and turn the oscillator on as well. Drop the tone to 470, the level, sorry. And drop an octave. And now go to the matrix, LFO1 pitch, and raise it to 196. Okay? Now let's do a little bit of FM and go to the fourth layer and raise the FM so it FMs with layer 3. Let's raise it to 370. Already hear that growling on the background. And now on the second layer, let's raise the FM to 200. Okay. Now let's go to the global and raise the high pass filter on the reverb so we're not boosting all those really low frequencies and rumble. And now let's go to the control on the fourth layer and raise the reverb to 213. And now on the second layer, 180. Finally, let's just drop the master to 780 so we don't risk having clip. And I think we have the patch done. And this was it. I hope you liked the patch. So this was it, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. It was definitely fun to make. We remember that we have new content coming up every week. Normally on Thursdays, we upload new videos, so be sure to check that out. And easier way to do it, just subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. You'll sure be notified. And give us a like if you like our content. I will say now goodbye and tell you that I will be back next week.